Just doing a general test to see here if we can get the audio and everything else to work as far as trying to get this radio works. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna switch over to my icom 705, and we're gonna show you what the audio's like. Hopefully that sounds a little bit better than the squelch did before. It looks like this is what we're going to have to do. Let me switch back over to the icom 705 and we'll try that out. Switching back, okay. We'll see if that got the job done.